after running the complete calculation. View the construction details of the connection. Make changes by selecting graphic entities within the drawing. Or add further information using 2D graphic objects. In the Documents section, view the predefined title blocks of the working drawings. Add new title blocks to customize them. Duplicate and/or edit predefined title blocks to modify and personalize them. Start compiling the calculation report. You can directly make changes and customizations to the report. You can save the document in RTF or DOCX format to edit it with an external word processor. Print the document. Export to PDF. Start compiling the calculation printouts. Choose what to print by enabling the relevant checkboxes and setting compilation options. As with the report, you can make modifications to the document. Save in RTF or docs format. Print, export to PDF format. Generate the working drawings. You can create them manually after choosing the sheet size and title block position with a simple drag and drop. Or automatically via a specific wizard. Add a group of graphic sheets and insert, within the group, the working drawings you want to produce. Choose the sheet format. Select the generation options and start the composition. At the end of the composition, you get a report. View the generated drawings. You can still make changes after composition, such as changing the sheet, title block, etc. Print the working drawings. Export to PDF format. Or export in DXF, DWG formats.